god, it's dandelions. No bueno. When you live in the city, a lot of times the delivery people don't know where to put your mail. And so they just give up, or they go to the other building across the street or next to you, and then you have to go and get the package from that building, which is what I did. Okay, so here's what all was in the package. So got a bunch of Firebox stuff. Their clothing is just super crazy. And they have like micro technology. It's like made of bamboo, which is cool. Got some pants as well. And another shirt, white shirt. It's gonna be great. This is gonna be so cool. So thank you to the people at Firebox for sending me this stuff. And it will not go to waste. I definitely will be making videos with them. So. Today is Friday. I have work this weekend, obviously, like every weekend. I'm going to Valley Forge in Pennsylvania. So I've already been there, so it should be fun. There isn't much around there that I could do. I can go to a Target. I was gonna go to a rock climbing gym that was near there, but they open at 12, and the setup, I have to start beginning work at 1. So not gonna be worth it to me for only climbing for an hour. I usually take like 2 hours or so to climb. I booked a rental car for 8 a.m. and it only takes me 45 minutes to get there. But I'm gonna try to check in early, because if I do, Haley might come later after work, and then she might get the key from me and go to the hotel and chill at the hotel and have like a little weekend to herself, basically, in a nice hotel room. That's the plan. That's what's happening. Rosie is gonna be on her own for the weekend, so hopefully she's okay and she's a good girl. You never really can tell though, can you? All right, on our way to the Enterprise. I'm ready to go. Bro, I think. We are in the car. Now, let's see if we can get Bluetooth audio in here. I don't have my cord. My Altima. We got a little Nissan Altima today. Okay, pair. It is. Okay, there we go. Let's kick it back to the apartment and get my stuff again. This is always the most stressful part, because I never know, because there's cops kind of roaming the streets all the time, and I never know if I'm gonna walk outside and see a parking ticket on my rental car. But I always try to put the hazards on, and I like run so people see me, like, I don't know. Okay, let's just get my stuff. Georgia. License plate from Georgia. Ew. I'm joking. I'm a country gal. What you mean? I'm Southern. I grew up there. Well, not in Georgia, but close. Been to Georgia a few times. Maybe we should listen to country music right now. I need directions. The steering wheel. I'm literally eating the steering wheel. Okay. Let's see if we could do a little USB action here. Let's see if it'll actually charge. Sometimes this charging cable is like no bueno. So let me just see. Where should I go? Should I go to the convention or to the hotel? I think I'm gonna go to the hotel first.
Starting route to Hampton Inn and Suites, Valley Forge Oaks.
There we go.
East on Killaloe Street. Then
all right.
The first
whip it good. Okay, I gotta get on a highway, the highway. Nobody says that, Lauren. Oh my God. Living in the city is fun, right? It's invigorating, it's exciting. There's lots of stuff going on, and you know, driving is an even worse situation, because you kind of just have to, you know, keep your eyes peeled for bikers, skaters, scooters, cars, you know. I love living in the city, and I know my dad's pushing, you know, for investing in a house, investing in this and whatever the facts, which I get, but like, come on, okay, maybe not. She didn't want to. She didn't want to come. Anyway, okay. We're done. Alright, so we are at Target, getting the essentials, obviously. You know, the granola bars, the snacks, possibly bagels or something. I don't know. My mission is to get protein bars though. And then, I mean, it's 9:30. So I might try and see if I can find a park around here. Cause like, it's beautiful and it's spring and it's like nice outside. So like, why not try and find a park? So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try and find a park. But right now we're gonna try and get essentials for what we need. Also, my Bluetooth wireless headphones are like messing up and they're brand new. So to the wired we go. Okay, done at the Target. There's a park 3 minutes away, so I am about to go to the park for a few minutes and see what that's about. But I got the goods: protein bars, bagels, and eye drops accumulated. Oh my god, it's dandelions. No, I'm so excited. Wait, we're at a park right now. It's free and there's water, I think. I'm gonna take a little protein bar. Get on down there, son. Oh. Ow. Wait, no, because I'm like so excited. Wait, I'm at a park right now. I don't get this in the city. Like, there aren't parks like this. Like, this is beautiful. Wait, I gotta do it. I gotta do it. Okay, I'm trying to find anywhere to go to the river. That's what I'm doing. Look at the space here. I could run. Should I do it? Oh my god, this brings me back to when I was a kid. And by that I mean like high school. Cause like, I used to run in the fields like this. Wow. This is so pretty. Wow. Oh my god, I miss nature so much. It's like the little luxuries like this. It's just so nice. Like, everything is just beautiful. I mean, yeah, there's a highway over there, okay? But it's like a cut of nature. It's so green, so beautiful. Like, wow, what is... Wow. I forgot what it's kind of like for a second, a hot minute. These geese are crazy. So pretty. There's some fish in there. You see them pop in and out. There's a duck with chiclets. There's a duck with chiclets. Oh my god. That is so cute. Oh my god. I feel like it was the wrong day to wear black on black. I am sweating. I am sweating. I think it's gonna be like 80 degrees today. So. Squirrel. Oh my god. Alright, let's go see if we can check in, and hopefully, fingers crossed, we can. Sometimes Hilton is iffy, so like sometimes they let me in, sometimes they don't, but we'll see. I mean, since it's not even 12 o'clock, it's kind of nerve-wracking. It's like 11:30, so I don't even know if they're done cleaning all the rooms yet, because usually checkout is like at 11, so let's find out. We are at the hotel. I'm on top floor lifestyle. But this lovely girl, Anastasia, was the desk receptionist, and she was so good. She was cool. She let me in early. She's like, "You're a bit ahead." I was like, "Yeah, is there anything you could do? I work at 1." And she was like, "Okay, let me hook you up." And I was like, "Great." I left her a Google review. They were just all sitting, eating lunch in the room. Perfect. Little bathroom, little section, and then boom, 2 beds. Super, super nice. Nice room. Yeah, I'm honestly about to eat a bagel for lunch. I think these are like full beds, honestly, but yeah. I'm gonna get home or get back to the hotel at around like 10:45. Could be later, could be shorter. You never really know with this job, but hopefully Haley will come visit me. She'll get one of my keys, my hotel keys, and she'll stay here, so. This is great. Because I may or may not be getting home late, I'm just gonna like lay out my stuff so that so that I have it. So hopefully I remember my laptop charger, unlike last time. But either way, it's like 5 minutes down the road. So like literally, if I forget, I'll just turn back around. But it's exciting stuff. Bagels. All right, it's time to get going. Alright, we are done. It is 9:40. I think this is like record time. Especially for, we had 222, that's my number. That many entries. So, it was quite a bit of entries, but we somehow just got it done. And now I'm going to the hotel. I'm gonna enjoy my night. Upload everything. I got all the chargers this time. We're good to go. Alright, let's go. Yeah, I don't know.
Wait, what do you mean? Like, they work there, do they not?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't really know how.
You can turn it lower.
Wi-Fi 2. It's so nice having you around.